everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radhika and this video is a bit special today because I am 18 now. So I thought it would be a great opportunity to reflect on some most important lesson life has taught me so far. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First is taking action is better than not doing anything. So, suppose if you're stuck in a situation where you can't decide what to do and how to do it, even if you take small, unwise, and uninformed decision, that's better than not doing anything. And wasting time on overthinking rather than not doing anything is the worst thing. So, at last आप अपनी गलतियों से ही सीखते हैं. Number two is do not care what people think about you. People opinion are none of your business. It is not your responsibility to figure out what people think about you, how people knew you. The way people think about you, the way people knew you is through their lens of their life and experiences. So other people's opinion do not determine the kind of person you actually are. So, number three is you can't do everything. So, you can't be everything for everyone. So, it's better to focus your energy to the things you're most passionate about. So, step out of the house, travel, eat what provokes you, fix yourself, sleep late, do whatever you want, be yourself, love yourself, take care of yourself. Four is letting people go is normal. Friend come and go and that's totally okay. You find new ones wherever you go through your entire life. Toxic people से दूर रहो, boundary set करो. So, number five is money can buy happiness. So बहुत लोगों का मानना होता है कि money can't buy happiness, but it's not true. Money can buy happiness, money can buy a lot of things that make you happy. And I generally saw that people with higher income are generally more satisfied with their lives. It's not that rich people do not have problems in their life, but money allows you to fix problem and resolve problem quickly. Six is being selfish is okay. It's not wrong to be selfish. In fact, हर कोई एक point पे selfish होता ही होता है. And it's absolutely fine to think about yourself unless आप किसी को intentionally harm ना कर रहे हो. अगर आप ही खुद के बारे में नहीं सोचोगे तो कौन सोचेगा भाई? Yes, don't be too available for people. सो अगर आप लोगों के लिए ज़्यादा अवेलेबल होने लग जाते हो ना तो उनकी लाइफ में आपकी अहमियत, आपकी इम्पोर्टेंस, आपकी वैल्यू डिक्रीज़ होने लग जाती है. सो उन लोगों को लगता है कि आप हमेशा फ्री रहते हो इसलिए आप उनके लिए अवेलेबल हो, बट उन्हें ये नहीं पता कि आप उनके लिए टाइम निकालते हो. सो डोंट गिव एनी वन एनी थिंग वो कांट रेसिप्रोकेट. Nine is people are not mind reader. You have to tell them what you are thinking. People don't know, people never know what you are feeling unless you tell them. In life, you have to communicate with others. You have to tell people what you are thinking, what you are feeling. And अगर आपको किसी भी चीज़ का hurt हुआ है, किसी भी चीज़ का बुरा लगा है, say it on their face. So number 10 is stop being perfect. Stop stressing being perfect. Nobody in this whole planet is perfect. Imperfections सभी में होती है, but the point is accept your flaws. अपनी गलतियों को accept करो. Embrace your mistake as opportunity to learn and improve. अपनी गलतियों से नहीं सीखोगे तो कैसे सीखोगे दुनियादारी. 10 most important life lesson I have learned from my life. That's it for the day, guys. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up. And for more interesting videos, do subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and bye-bye.